Huawei is supporting the Middle East operators for massive deployment of 5G-A advanced. And so it's leverage on our solutions in the wireless product, such as TDD, dual-band Meta AU, but also the latest release FDD Maximimo AAU, which we just launched recently, but also is leverage on our development technology in the core network, deploy the MDAF, and also BS transformations that enable this whole 3A network deployment, which is a 5G advanced, always online, and AI-driven networks to continue to develop the 5G-As across the whole region. So ultimately, we see the most advanced use case can be used, which is experience monetization, which means people will have more guaranteed experience service offers, whether it's on the broadband, home broadband, or it's using for the mobile services. The center part of AI native network is AI-driven operation and maintenance. So ultimately, they will turn the network from the reactive mode to the fully automated mode to utilize the AI capabilities. So change the network from utility kind of network to revenue growth engine. So Huawei leverage on our full stack AI capability and work together with the ecosystem and to build this telecom foundation model to guide operators to elevate its operation and the maintenance to the 18 level 4, which means it's a fully automated level for the network operation. So essentially, they will massively reduce the amount of inefficiencies, such as you need to send people to the site service, and also improve the network operations fault findings accuracies to about up to 80%. So help to fully automate the network. Huawei generally drive this development through two solutions. One is a green side solution. The other one is called the Giga Green. So green side solution is leverage on our technology on the renewable energy, like a PV solar panels, together with intelligent battery management, AI-driven kind of O&M for managing the energy, and streamline the site deployment. So fundamentally, reduces the amount of carbon footprint on the site, but also reduces the energy consumption on the site. The other part, we call that Giga Green, which means we're aiming to deploy larger capacities wireless solutions that covers a wider capacity but use less energy and with lighter materials, and is more precise performance that help to improve the network performance, but also to reduce the amount of energy consumption through the network. Combine the two solutions together, we can actually help the operators to reduce the energy consumption on the side, but also to use the less side on the side, which means you don't need to constantly build the new sites to cover the demand for the 5G-A development in the nation. If I look at the operator's strategy for the last couple of years and the subsequently develop for the next few years, there's one word that pop out is called telco transformation, which means they move from the connectivity provider to the telco service type of provider. They see them as a technology company, which means they will broaden their business footprint. So in addition to continue enrich the digital life to capture consumers' imagination, but also extend their business footprint into the 2B. They not only kind of offer the connectivity, but offer the service around it. So ultimately, all of this means the operators need to continue to expand its own infrastructure, diversify its service offer, and continue to explore the opportunities that how they can leverage the AI capabilities to drive kind of new business growth domain, but also to kind of for its own network efficiencies and securities improvement.